a little video here. I just changed the water in my 10-gallon top fin aquarium. This is my first time changing it. I've had it for a week. Put all the new chemicals in it. Just, a couple short clips, dumping the water. The water wasn't terrible, but it's definitely a bit dirty, so it could definitely be changed. I don't know why it's calling for my filter to be replaced already, but it's supposed to last for a month. I do have a year's supply of those though, but I'm not going to do it just yet. So yeah, the video is just a couple clips there, dumping the water, and then just talking a little bit after the water's all been changed and all the chemicals have been added again. For the conditioner and the cycle to promote healthy bacteria, like a booster, the waste control chemical, and then I did a pH level test, and it came back 6.8 to 7, which is neutral from what I understand, so that's good. They should be happy with that. The fish honestly look like they're doing great. They're all at home. I got a betta in the tank with, it says not to put them in there, but some Dalmatian mollies, and they don't bother each other at all. So I don't know why they say don't put them in there. They literally stay on the opposite sides of the tanks. Whenever they get close, they swim the opposite way. Got some neon tetras and some other stuff, some snails. It's a nice little ecosystem. I like it. So it's relaxing, it's cool, and yeah, it's just chill, So I hope you guys like it. I'll get better with the content. I'm still brand new to this, We'll get there. It'll happen. Just give us some time. Be patient with me. I'd like to get a better camera here down the road. An action camera would be nice, so I have both hands free, so I can go into the woods and get better footage for you guys. And we'll get that figured out, though. It'll happen. So I hope you're enjoying the videos, guys. Hope you have a good day. Stay warm. And as always, have a nice hot bowl of soup or stew. It's great for you. It's real good. Take care, folks. Like, subscribe, follow, comment. I definitely want to hear your feedback. What kind of stuff do you guys want to see? What kind of videos, what kind of content? If you wouldn't mind letting me know, I'd appreciate that, just so that I can try and plan some stuff. All right, guys. Little aquarium water dump. There's this stuff. Water's pretty gross. really hard. Check out the tank after the water change. So it's got a filter for a bit, obviously, but there's still a bit of floaties in there. I'm going to try and grab with the net. I got to feed these fellas. I'll take my mag float here, scrub the glass. The magnet goes on each side of the glass. And it allows you to scrub. It's got like a Velcro scrubber in between the two. Pretty strong magnet too, like you can move pretty quick. So we'll just do all sides of the glass with that. Let the chemicals do their job, the tap water conditioner, the cycle, and the waste control. I also did a pH test. It's hard to see the color right there, but yeah. So we're looking at, I'd say probably, so it's hard to see the color on camera. I'd say it was 6.8, between 6.8 and 7, so that's good. Alright guys, this is my tank, 10-gallon top tank, probably 10 minutes after the water change. I put the chemical in the cycle, jumpstart, tap water conditioner, and waste control. Use my mag float, scrub the glass, sucked all the waste and debris out of the gravel. As much as I can get anymore. That siphon line is really making a big difference. One eye guy's got a timer going and she's going to get any of that tank water in her mouth. So that's a plus. Yeah. The fish seem to be doing alright. I rinsed all the decorations off there and let them dry off. She's heated about 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is optimal temperature for that. The pH, as I said, 6.8 to 7, which is neutral from what I understand, so that's good. Got my snails up there cleaning the glass. I got another snail in the back cleaning the glass. I don't know, man. I just got into this fish thing again. I used to have a 55-gallon tank with a shark, a red-tailed shark. He grew about 7 inches from 2.5, 3 inches, so he got pretty big. Didn't want to go that big this time, just something small. Just relaxing, you know. Stressful day, you just got the sound of the filter and the lights and the movement of the fish. It's pretty cool. Yeah, other than that, guys, just a quick video. I wanted to record the whole cleaning, but I don't have anything to hold my phone to do it. And I need 2 hands for this, unfortunately. So maybe next time I'll try and figure something out a bit better, and we'll get that done for you, in case you want to know how I do it. As I said, I'm just a beginner, so if you get any tips or pointers, let me know in the comments section. I encourage you to let me know, because I'd love to learn some more. Other than that, guys, like, subscribe, and follow. You know, just all kinds of random content that I'm going to be putting out. I haven't really zeroed down on one specific thing yet. Hunting season's pretty much over for here. There ain't no rabbits around this year, so that kind of sucks. But I'm probably still going to get out a few times, and I'll try and get some content there, show you what I do. Alright guys, enjoy your day. Have a good one.